1, 2, 3. Coochie girls from all around the world. Watch them as they dance across the floor. And if you have the time and you can spare a dime, these girls will keep you coming back for more. Murder, murder every day, gonna murder somebody right away. This world is overcrowded. Wanna dance with you, feast your eyes on thighs of porcelain.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed members of cultured society, Circus Contraption is proud to present, for your libidinous gustation, an exotic array of talented thrill seekers performing a cunning array of stunts. Our first little lady is a killer with style, who's left a trail of scorned suitors in her wake, taking from each and every one a hat as a souvenir. The next, as American as apple pie and sultry as a stiletto, she hypnotizes hopeless humans, hurling hoops with hips and hands. And now, if ever an angel descended from the heavens, our next performer is it. She is a true assassin of the heart. And finally,